And we are live. What is up, everybody? Welcome here to Currency.com. My name is John, at Real John Doe is my Twitter. Giving you another Ethereum update this month. This is the second time we're talking about it. Our outlook right now kind of remains the same. We got exactly what we're looking for with the price consolidating right up above that $3,000 level. So for this video, we're going to jump back in. I'm going to give you some more important price levels to keep an eye on. The two scenarios that I'm looking for right now for Ethereum to go much higher in September. I'll also be throwing in a little bit of a news update and also give you guys a trader sentiment right now, more buyers or sellers that are on Currency.com. We're now almost at the end of August, and my view on Ethereum still stays the same. Since my last analysis here on August 9th, we got exactly what we wanted with price consolidating, going sideways, building higher support levels on the short term, and maintaining stay above that $3,000 level. And right now, it looks like it is close to a breakout. It's trading in a tighter and tighter range. We do have a bull flag right now. So that gives me two outlooks. Is either we currently break out in this range, test 3,400, and continue on with the bullish trend, or even what else I see is this bullish price pattern breaks down below that 21-day moving average for the first time now since we crossed over back in July, and then we test $3,000 once again, and then that becomes the major buy to dip spot where all the buyers come in, and then that pushes us to the next resistance, and then a breakout coming later on in September. I'm going to stick with these two scenarios for this video, so stay tuned as I'm going to show you why I see Ethereum going much higher in September, so make sure you stay tuned. And guys, we got a lot of things coming here on the channel. I want to say a quick thanks to all the subscribers right now. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, or if you haven't liked this video yet as well, now's your chance to do that before I need your attention in this analysis. So make sure right now you hit that thumbs up button and like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we're about to keep you guys more and more updated on what's happening, because something big is coming for the price of cryptos. And while we have a look right now on Currency.com, the trader sentiment for Ethereum, let's have a look at this. It shows 78% buyers right now, 22% sellers. And if you look at Ethereum's price history for August, it has been more bullish than bearish. You can see all these changes here since the beginning of the month. But now lately, price has been in a tighter range. And I'm going to show you why, even though it is trading in a tighter range and it could even break down, I still see it much higher in September. So important price levels right now I am looking at for support. $3,050. That's a psychological support. And it's also right now it is a support range for this August high consolidation we've been having. If that level does not hold, I have 2,850, which is not too far away. And that was the June highs. Then the last level after that, 2,600. And right now that's along that 50-day moving average. Now to the upside, for September or even the end of August, I'm going to see how price responds to that 3,400 range. That is a resistance for August highs. If that breaks out, which is really good, then we're testing roughly 3,600. And if we can break out of that range, we make it up to that all-time high prices, giving us the next resistance at about $4,200. And that would send Ethereum right back to new all-time highs. So first bit of news here for Ethereum. Ethereum traders are expecting things to get volatile. Friday, there will be $820 million expiring in options. So when those expire, we will see something, a big move with the price. And as I mentioned earlier, I do have support and resistance levels marked out. And right now on the options ratio, it shows that there are much more calls, much more buyers. So we will see what kind of impact this expiry has on the price of Ethereum. Ethereum also as well on exchanges, it does continue to reach a low. More and more Ethereum has been leaving exchanges this year. We did see about a 26% drop in 2021. And this number is expected to continue as more long-term holders are coming in for Ethereum. And with the effect of that, the price of Ethereum will go up, less and less supply available. And there will be a supply and demand crisis now coming for Ethereum now that it is burning. And Ethereum 2.0, when it officially launches and is proof of stake, I think there will be quite a bit of bullish sentiment to push that as well. The Ethereum 2.0 staking contract ranks as the single largest holder of Ethereum, roughly about $21.5 billion in there. And that rounds up to about 6.7 million Ether. And here's a list right here of all the top wallets holding Ethereum. And Ethereum 2.0 hasn't even launched yet. So this number right here, I do expect it to continue to outpace all the other ones. So now it's time to update you on the price of Ethereum. If you did watch the last analysis, I would suggest you go watch that. It was right here on August 9th, and we got exactly what we wanted. that consolidation above $3,000 for Ethereum, and price keeping bullish price action. But now it's trading in a tighter range. We could even break down, but even if we do, I still will remain bullish because I will see that $3,000 level as a major buy to dip opportunity. And that's where I would look for in early September or late August, where you buy the dip for that next send right past that $3,400 level, pushing us right back towards that all-time high level. As we can see right now, Ethereum is breaking down a little bit, but even if it doesn't break down, we do have the alternative scenario where we get a rejection of the lows and it just breaks up and blasts past 3,400 to back to test 3,600 and then that next resistance towards all-time high. So we might not even get back towards that $3,000 level, but I'm just letting you guys know if that $3,000 level does come, that is a major buy to dip opportunity. The risk reward down there is pretty good compared to where we are at right now. And then if that does not hold, then you got the 50-day moving average to look out for as that last level of defense where we could see a relief bounce, pushing us right back towards that $3,000 from that level. So for where we're at right now with Ethereum, bringing us down $3,000 is about a 5% drop, which is very likely. But to go all the way down that 50-day moving average for Ethereum, that is about a 18% drop. I don't see that likely, but if it does come in September, I'm also seeing that as a dip buying opportunity. If you look here earlier in the year, back in May and June, price did consolidate in that range quite a bit a few times. So if we do head back down to that 50-day moving average, $2,500, $2,600 level, I do see a bounce happening from those levels, either back to 3,000, or this could even be just the bounce that pushed us right back to all-time highs. For these two scenarios, how can you be prepared for them? Which one would you want to prefer? I would look for buying dips rather than the breakout because price has broken out earlier and it went on a massive run for a few days. So this consolidation right now is pretty great, and $3,000 is still within range for a bullish bounce. So right now the scenario I prefer is price coming down to 3,000 and then bouncing from those levels. But even a breakout, I'm happy with that. And some things I can indicate where things are going right now. Let's have a look at this RSI right now. We got that 50 level, which is where you want price to stay above. If you look right now, the RSI did break its recent support. So it looks like it is going to test that 50 level. And that is where I'm seeing that test of that 50 level lining up with price testing $3,000. So watch that RSI, see how that breaks down. But if RSI does make a new high, let's say from where it's at right now, it does break up above in that 60 range, then that means price will align with a breakout up toward 3,400 and then a push. But as far as moving averages go, price is sitting on that 21-day moving average, which is bullish. But last time, if you look back here, the 21-day moving average did not hold back in May. We had a test of it and that instantly broke down to the 50, just barely touched that 200-day moving average. And that's where we got a bounce from there. So right now we do have a very similar price action happening right now, but something that I see better than last time is we have a longer term support building with price moving sideways for a longer period of time, which indicates there will be a stronger support as price does break down. So right now I do have price targets on the bullish side, 3,400. After that, then I got 3,600, then a push up towards all-time highs. But the next moves I'm looking for, like I mentioned, is either a dip down to $3,000 or a breakout up to 3,400 and some consolidation there. So both are opportunities to enter. One gives you an entry at a higher price with continuation in the breakout, and another one, more risk but a way higher reward, is buying the dip at about $3,000. You got to be a bit patient for that one, and same thing there, that will give you potential for either a breakout past 3,400 and then continue, or even a rejection. But you would know if this support breaks, then you could be looking at that next support at about that 50-day moving average at 2,600. That wraps up this video. Before you leave me here, make sure you hit me with a quick thumbs up on this video. Also, your feedback would be appreciated, so leave your comment below. Let us know what you thought of this video, if it helped you out, and I hope to see you back again in the next video. And until next time, I'm checking out. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.